What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing Neil.fun. Games and stuff by Neil's. As you can by Neil, not Neil's. Ew, why does his eye look at my mouse? Goes here. Okay, so we're gonna play. I'm gonna try to play every single one of these videos. Every single one here. First, should we do internet world trip? That doesn't look fun. Simulation, maybe another time. Infinite craft? Yeah, most people know that. How about space elevator? Space elevator. I'll scroll up. Oh, look, in the top right of the screen it says 15 Celsius. Alright, in Canada that's pretty. That's like a normal average temperature. That's normal. Scroll up. Oh, we're free. A hot air balloon, Maladard, electric action. Welcome to Space Elevator, the only elevator that goes to space? Oh, it's just something. You're currently in the troposphere, the lowest layer of the atmosphere. Atmosphere is very high, 1,000 meters. Let's take a kilometer. The troposphere contains 99% of the water vapor in the atmosphere. Alright, I guess today we're gonna learn a lot about with the atmosphere. We got the pigeon. Wow, that's really high. 2,000 meters. Hang gliding, typical altitude. The Mil V-12, largest helicopter ever built. Wow. Oh, look. You can see -2 degrees. Nitrobustus clouds are responsible for rainy days. Skydiver at 2,957 feet. The Martian butterfly. A butterfly can go up. Oh, huh? How does it go higher than the nitrobustus clouds? A butterfly? Wait, the Martian butterfly. You can find that in Canada. The bald eagle, the alpine calf. As you climb, the temperature will continue to drop. Okay. Thank you for telling me. It's a bit chilly. Take a scarf. Red one. Red. Okay, black sky. The highest flying kite. The mountain goat. The V. How does a mountain go? Oh, mountains do go that high. Amelia Earth's plane. The Vigia 5B. White stork. Columbus are a tall, towering term that can produce lightning, tornadoes, and hail. Alright. The Trinidad flamingo. The Casina 172. By the way, I'm not trying to say these. The Milmi 8. What? The pterodactyl. The pterodactyl. Yeah, we know that. The Zeppelin, the wild yak, the luminous lizard, highest dwelling reptile. Damn, highest dwelling lizard. And oh no, it's a reptile. Oh, play elevator music. Oh. I don't think you guys could hear this, but I'm listening to some good music. Bumblebee. Highest observed flight. So that means that's the highest point somebody has seen a bumblebee. Why would they need to go that high up? That's pretty weird. The Sopwith Camel. Bell 47. First helicopter to fly over the Alps. Bare-tailed Cutwith. Fletcher Sandworth. Wait, where? How does this plane go all the way this high? The Arden Condor. Hawaiian jumping spider, the yellow-rumped leafed ear mouse. That is the worst name. Cirrus clouds are wispy clouds made of ice crystals. Ice crystals. The Dougal's DC-3 beard vulture, a paratrooper, max altitude. Above this altitude is known the death zone because there's not enough oxygen for human life. First of all, how much oxygen is in our thing? We're gonna need an oxygen tank. The Whooper Swan. How does this? Mount Everest Peak? Whoa. Bar-headed goose. It's become purple. Party balloons. They go 9,000 meters? That's 9 kilometers in the air. Have you ever wondered where your lost balloons went at this typical height? A party balloon will pop. Passenger jet, typical cruising altitude. The Camalolobos are patchy clowns that can blanket the sky. Spitfire and 225 Miria, heaviest plane ever built. The space shuttle reaches its max atmospheric pressure. Okay, I think I've heard of that. The Ripples Griffin Vulture, highest flying bird. Wow. Spacesuit, yes sir. I'm taking the white one. This is fun. As air pressure drops, so does the atmosphere needs to boil water. At this altitude, water only builds at 54.7. That is a small amount. I feel like water boils at like 114 Celsius. I think so. I don't know. The SA-315B Llama, highest flying helicopter. How is that even a helicopter? How is that even a P-51 Mustang? Wait, is that World War II fighter plane? Oh, you can see the air. I feel like it's gonna be an airplane here. Jet streams are band of strong winds in the atmosphere. They can reach speeds of up to 450 kilometers an hour. And on the highway, we usually go to like 120 kilometers an hour. Jeez Louise. P-80 Shooting Star. Don't worry, the elevator's pretty strong, I think. Yeah, obvious. Why is it tilting? Okay, I want to get out of this place. The Leisure Jet 45, the F-35. Stratosphere. Oh, it's pretty calm here. Down here, there's a lot of wind. Welcome to the stratosphere. The stratosphere is the home to the ozone layer, which protects us from harmful UV rays. Thank you, the stratosphere. The Sahusu 9, the Cappuccino Assassino. Unlike the stratosphere, the temperature in the stratosphere increases the higher you go. Oh, that's interesting. The Havila Vampire. Concorde. The USS R1. This is Armstrong's limit. Above this altitude, your saliva and tears will boil if you don't have a parachute chute. What? The nitrosis clouds are rare clouds found in polar regions. They're smarter than the scholars. Oh, it's like a rainbow. So this is basically where the rainbow starts. Really high up. Bell X1. The Explorer 2. The Arbizistor Zibazez. As the air gets thinner, there are few molecules to scatter. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video because you cannot go this far out. So I'm not gonna tell anything. But if you want, you could go to neil.com if you want to see this. So anyways, peace. Bye bye.